Alright, so just real quick, here's the video I wish I would have found. Well, I'm hoping this is the video I wish I would have found, or I wished I could have found. I could have wished I could have made of something. Anyway, so I'm changing the Mini Cooper here, or the clutch on the Mini Cooper here, primarily because the dual mass flywheel is bad. I don't know if you can see that wiggling underneath my foot there. Just take my word for it. But anyway, what I wanted to show you is, so the maintenance manual calls for supporting the engine from the top with a beam, and then dropping the whole subframe out from underneath, and dropping the transmission straight down. Now what you can do instead is take the whole front end off, which is fine, because there's a whole bunch of oil seals and stuff under here. Anyway, Eric the Car Guy did a really good video. I'll link to it down below. Really good video on this Detroit tune kit that gives you an upgraded oil return line, all that kind of stuff, and replaces a bunch of seals. There's a bunch of O-ring seals up here, which are prone to leaking. These guys here, I've already put in the new seals and everything for the oil cooler and a whole bunch of stuff. Now, what you can do instead of dropping the subframe is you can just pop the subframe bolts loose. So, those guys there, right? And then there's one right there. And then there's one kind of hidden under here. Yeah. You can pop those loose, so that guy's completely out. And this guy's completely out. The one over here. And then all the rest of them are just loosened until the subframe sags enough. You can see here it's sagging enough, and then you can slide the... Sorry, I stopped the video by accident. So then you can slide the transmission out right through here and just support the engine with a jack. Now, unfortunately, this jack is stuck here till the end of the job, because if I let it down, you can see the engine sags a little more than I'm comfortable with. So that's going to stay there. But anywho, that's the video I wish I would have found when I was doing this job. So hopefully that helps some guys out. Thanks for watching.